I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application question on multiplication of fractions. Peter had 3/4 of a box of chocolate. He ate 1/3 of these chocolates. What fraction of box of chocolates was left? Verify your answer with an example. I will show you solution of this question in two different ways, and then we'll also verify our answer. So what we have here is that Peter had 3/4 of a box of chocolate, not full box, okay? Only 3/4 of a box of chocolate. He ate 1/3 of these chocolates. What fraction of the box of chocolates was left? Okay, so this is a very good question. Let us first find what fraction did he eat, right? So fraction which he eat, right? So let's write down. So 1/3 of 3/4. So that is the fraction which Peter ate, okay? So 1/3 of 3/4, 1/3 of means times 3/4. So you can multiply them. So you can cancel 3 and 3, so you get 1/4. You could also do 3 times 1 as 3, 4 times 3 is 12, and then simplify, correct? So what I did was I divided both by 3 first. So we get 1/4, correct? So 1/4 he ate. Now the question is how much was left, correct? So that is what we need to answer. So left was how much? So he ate 1/4, and how much is left? He had 3/4. So left was what he had, that is 3/4. Take away 1/4, correct? So say they have the same denominators, we could do 3 minus 1, which is 2/4, which is same as half, correct? So half of the box of chocolate is left. That is what is the answer. So what fraction of the box of chocolate was left? So we say half of the box is left, right? So that is the answer for us. Alternate method could be, let me show you here, alternate method. When we say he ate 1/3 of these chocolates, and when we want to find how much was left, so we could say he ate 1/3. That means left is how much? 2/3. Is that okay? So left is 2/3. So we could do straight away fraction left is 2/3 of 3/4. So that is 2/3 times 3/4, right? In this particular solution, I will not cancel and then get the product, but I'll go the long way. I'll multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12, correct? Now we can simplify this fraction. You can divide both by 6, correct? Both by 6. What do you get? You get a simplified equivalent fraction, which is 1/2. So the answers are same. Do you see that? Answers are same. So in this particular case, what we have two different methods. One, we need to find how much is left. We can first find how much he ate, take away that from where you begin from. The second one is you can see what fraction is left first and then write in numbers or the fraction of the box, correct? Now let us verify this question. Now it says what fraction of box of chocolate was left? Verify your answer with an example. Now since we have terms like 3/4 and 1/3, common denominator is 12. So let's begin with a box of chocolate, right, which has 12 chocolates, right? So 12, we can think about 3 rows and 4 columns, correct? So let's say 3 rows and 4 columns. Now, when we are saying that 3/4 of the box of chocolate Peter had, that means we can select 3 out of 4 rows. So these are the chocolates which Peter had. This is the second, and that is the third column, right? So 3/4. So 3 out of 4. So this is 3 out of 4. Is it okay? 3/4 he had to begin with, right? Now we are saying he ate 1/3. 1/3 means 1 out of 3. So let's say he ate this much, 1 out of 3. So out of these 3, he ate 1. Again, he ate 1. And then again. So that is 1 out of 3 of what he had. He ate. So how much is he left with? 6 of them, right? But this is 6 out of, originally there were 12. Do you see that? 6 out of 12, which is half. Did you get an idea, right? So we could verify with an example as shown here, right? I hope this example really helps you to understand the concept of multiplication of fractions and also addition and subtraction. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe my videos and share them with your friends. Thank you and all the best.